Team DO5.
Let's go to the dealer tree.
Dealer tree. Our dad called it dealer tree. I don't know why.
So where am I going?
It's called not Dollar Tree, it's Dealer Tree.
It's Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
Well, he calls it dealer tree, but it's Dollar Tree, Dad. Come on, and Cody has his own camera as well. So, that was so weird. Who would not have arts and crafts up that one? That's horrendous.
Hey,
Okay, this is the Dollar Tree we have.
Excuse me, we're at the Dealer Tree, and let's go right
He
now.
calls it dealer tree. I don't know why. That's so weird. So we're walking in the Dollar Tree.
So what do you need for the Dealer Tree?
Oh, I remember this Dollar Tree.
Ooh, nice containers.
How much are they?
$1.
$1.
Of course. Everything.
$1.
Everything has
Everything's $1, my good lady.
They have the 4th of July. Oh, these would be cool for the slime.
Now red and blue.
Wait, is this
And
soft?
then
This
these-
is so
I
hard.
still have
This is
This
for
is
water.
oh, that's cool.
Look, Paulina.
That's so cool.
Look, you go right here, water.
You should
And
buy
then
one
right
whenever you're... Daddy, maybe next time when you're a coach. And you,
See.
these would be cute for like
See.
soccer.
They would.
And they have containers. I hope I get likes in this video,
What do you
guys.
need from here, Paulina?
over here's the
Wait, Paulina.
Okay, we're gonna go to the toy section. Glow sticks, of course. They always have glow sticks everywhere. So yeah. They have squishies here like the last time. Remember the last time when we had a 10?
Yeah.
What the heck? Oh, that's Play-Doh. Wait, is this... Oh, this is so hard. Feel it. They have bouncy balls everywhere. Whoa. So I just found
Do you have
this
any squishies?
laying in the Lego tent. Are you serious? I'm gonna see if they have squishies here. Oh, they still have the putty, of course. They always have putty here. Oh, I thought these were squishies. Come on. Oh, these are cute. I wish they still had those squishies. Oh, I was looking for these. Hey, Daddy, look. I found a football.
What do they have, squishies?
These are kind of soft. These are kind of soft.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are.
You can make squishies out of these. I've always wanted to make squishies out of a football. I don't know why. This one's cool. Except this one's harder though. Really? This is just like where they have like the balls.
Yeah, that's
Wait, is this... Oh no, I thought this was a squishy. No. They just have like footballs. I've always wanted to squish them in these guys. This is more squishier. I don't even know what these are. They're like tapes, I'm guessing. Like, so this is where they have... Oh, I found a gold... Dad, I found a gold one. Ugh. So no squishies, just these balls that are squishies. This is a bouncy ball. Nope. So no like squishies. I guess this is what you guys were talking about. Oh, gumball machines. My sister has one of them. Dinosaurs. Is this a squishy? No. It's So yeah, they just have footballs like I showed you guys. Like I said, no squishies today. We didn't play. These are like for the pool. So yeah. Cool. Oh, these are ice cream bubbles. These are sodas. Oh, these squishies. Oh no, these are hard. I thought they were squishies. Oh, dang it. So like I said, no new designs. Just ducks. Oh, there's squishies to have some like that too. Oh, I found more of those cube stuff. Oh, I found something new. Go putty. Guys, I found some more putty, but different kind. Orange and green, that's all the colors they pretty much have. And then little Minnie Mouse puzzle.
Jenna, back up, please.
Those are like the squishies, but I guess those football squishies are what you guys were talking about. I have random stuff here too. Flower. This is like a random aisle here. Like, this is, I'm guessing, where they had those football ones, but they probably just like, so no left this time. Necklaces. Leave it in the comments if you see footballs around here. Football squishies. What's this? Is this a squishy? They have bouncy balls everywhere, guys. So if you're looking for that, definitely come to. So I guess this is what you guys were talking about, because this is kind of squishy, but this is not slow or anything like those footballs either. Bouncy ball. Dad? In here? No. Probably in the arts and crafts aisle. So I found like this minged rush ball. This Dora. Who's a big fan of Dora? Leave it in the comments. And they have, of course, these. And another one. So if you guys want any footballs, come here. They have some. I don't know. I'm gonna go ask my dad if he could. Did I just see what I see? Oh my god. So they have like these cute like emoji stuff. Oh. And they have Jenga, of course. Paw Patrol. Yeah, like more emoji stuff. So yeah, more of the emoji stuff. All the donut puzzle. I love donuts. Where are they? Arts and crafts section. It's like the stuffed animal section. This is like for little pet shops. Squishy? No. Oh, Dad, I was looking for you. Polly, come. I need to show you something I found that's new. Here, Dad, record me. My Dad's gonna get the camera.
Okay.
Here, I'll show you what I found.
Okay.
Where is it? Oh, it's right here.
What is that?
Oh, yeah, it's Goof Putty.
Do you like that stuff?
Yeah, it's like slime, but just like putty.
Oh, wow, they got a lot of them, too.
Yeah, they have orange. They have green. I want to get a green. Green's my favorite.
Okay. Paulina, too, you want to say hi to the camera?
Oh, hi. I just have my camera right here.
Okay. Wow, this is nice scoop putty.
So it's Goofy Putty?
Goofy putty,
And
does that make you goofy when you use it?
No. No.
It's
Okay,
just
well.
putty.
Whoopee cushion.
I just saw. Oh.
Okay, you want to show your subscribe subs, please?
Orange.
Okay, show your subs, please.
Here. So we're gonna get. I'm gonna get green stuff
Okay.
on.
Okay, want me to pause it?
Get a football.
Nah, don't get a football. You don't need it.
Boy.
Here.
Make squishies out of it. You can make squishies out of that.
Nah, don't worry about it. Here.